So the next Kemetic yoga flow sequence you're going to see is called the Teken Sequence. So we're going to start off with the hands at the side in with Kemetic palms. Take your time, rotate your arms out to the side of your body, and you're going to inhale and lift your arms up. And as you exhale, bring your hands together, squeezing your palms together. Inhale, lift your head up, lift your chin up, let your head go back. And on your exhalation, release your neck and let your head go all the way back, opening up your throat. On your inhalation, bring your head up straight. Bring the back of your hands together. On your exhalation, lower your arms down to the side of your body and release. All the way down. Breathe in. As you exhale, shift your hips back and bend your body forward. Ease your body forward on your exhalation. Knuckles come down to the ground first, back of the fingers to the ground. Inhale your fingertips to the ground. Exhale your palms flat. Try to keep your legs straight. Relax your neck and bring your chin all the way down towards your chest. On your inhalation, reach back and grab hold of your legs. On your exhalation, pull your chest flat to your thighs, your chin to your knees. Inhale your hands into pyramid shape. Exhale your palms flat. Take a slow, deep inhalation, a slow, deep exhalation, and then let your legs straighten. Let your body rise up on your inhalation, coming all the way up as you breathe in. Exhale, relax your weight into the bottom of your feet. Let your knees bend slightly. Now from here, take your right hand in front of your chest. Place your left hand onto the back of your right hand. Your thumbs are touching, making pyramid shapes. Breathe in, and then slowly exhale and let your body turn to your left. Your body is turning to your left. Try to keep your hands centered right in front of your chest. Isolate your upper body from your lower body. Breathe in, exhale, and let your head turn to the right shoulder, looking towards your front. Isolate your neck from your shoulders. On your inhalation, turn your chin over your chest. On your exhalation, turn and look behind you towards your left shoulder. Now line up your chin with your chest again. And as you inhale, turn your whole body back to the front. And then exhale. Inhale. And as you exhale, turn your body to the opposite side. Squeezing your stomach, twisting your spine. Inhale. As you exhale, let your head turn to the front. Release the neck, release the shoulders. On your inhalation, bring your chin over your chest. On your exhalation, turn and look to your opposite shoulder. Open up the neck. Line up your chin with your chest. As you inhale, turn your body to the front. And then slowly exhale. As you inhale, raise your arms up above the head. And then use your exhalation to open up your arms, going into the pose of Teken. Teken is a goddess pose that represents healing and protection of the respiratory system. Breathe slow and deep. Feel the energy building up in the palms of your hands. Now place your right hand in front of your chest. Left hand onto the back of your right. Breathe in, and as you exhale, turn to your left. Breathe in. As you exhale, let your arm go out behind you. Left arm, breathe in. Exhale and bend your arm at the elbow, squeezy at a right angle. Fingers together, thumbs in with your fingers. Inhale again, hold the breath. As you exhale, turn your head towards your right shoulder, looking to the front. Isolate your upper body from your lower body. Isolate your neck from the shoulders. On your inhalation, bring chin over the chest. On your exhalation, turn your head and look toward your opposite direction. Releasing. Line up your chin with your chest. On your inhalation, turn your whole body to the front, breathing in. As you exhale, return your hand back in front of your chest and release. Breathe in again. As you exhale, turn your body to your right. Inhale. As you exhale, let your right arm go straight back. Straighten your arm, straighten your elbow. Put your left palm to your chest. Inhale. And as you exhale, squeeze the arm, bending the arm at a right angle. Breathe in. As you exhale, turn the head and look towards the left shoulder, look to the front. Isolate the neck from the shoulders. Inhale your chin over the chest. Use your exhalation to turn your head looking in the opposite direction. Release the neck, release the shoulders. Line up your chin with your chest. Use your inhalation to turn your body forward, looking towards the front. As you exhale, return your hands together in front of your chest. On your inhalation, raise your arms up above the head. Exhale, open up the arms, surrounding your body with life force, creating a halo or aura of energy around your body. Your palms face forward. Elbows are slightly bent. Wrists, thumbs, and fingers relaxed. And breathe in slowly and breathe out slowly. Inhale. Exhale your arms down to the side and then relax. Feel the energy. Maintain your meditative state. And that is the Teken Sequence.